Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I know. I'm scared, you're scared, everybody's scared right now. With the way the world is right now, I personally am so freaking frightened. I just want something to distract myself, take my mind off of how terrifying everything is. So today I'm gonna be doing that by spilling some absolute tea with you guys. So I'd like to preface this video by saying these are absolutely all based in theory. This is just information of my personal opinion that I've Googled up, little pieces of information I've grabbed from here and there to lead me to these theories of what I think is coming from Jeffree Star. Guys, I am so freaking excited. I pray to God I'm right. Okay guys, so before I forget, today is the day. I'm literally gonna be going through my entire comment section on my giveaway video where I'm giving away an entire Bloodlust palette as well as a crown mirror. I have a surprise in store for the winner. I'm gonna be doing a reveal video on Friday where I let you guys know who the winner is, as well as show you the secret surprise I have in the little giveaway. So yeah, guys, please make sure to enter that giveaway if you haven't already. I am so excited, like I can hardly contain myself. I will have all the information linked down below, so definitely make sure you guys do that. So guys, today I'm gonna be talking about some insane theories I have of what's coming from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So let's jump right in. So here on my channel, I do a series where I predict and theorize what Jeffree Star is gonna be coming out with in terms of his palettes. So while I was researching and Googling all over the internet, trying to find out some information, because I love doing those videos for you guys and you absolutely adore them. They're my most viewed videos. So while I was researching and trying to get information for that, I stumbled upon some very interesting stuff. So there's a website called justia.com. This lists every single thing that Jeffree Star trademarks. So while I was looking on this site, I found a specific cannabis leaf that he had trademarked. So I know we already saw this because he recently reamped the grinders and that has the new logo on it. Based on that logo, me and my friend, we kind of just ran with it and made a theory that he's gonna be coming out with an entire mystery box 420 edition. I think there's gonna be cell phone cases as was listed on that website. I think there's gonna be new grinders that are like lime green. I think there's gonna be hand mirror. I am so excited. Guys, what do you think? Do you think he's gonna throw in some exclusive items in the boxes as well? While we were looking on the site, we found specifically a trademark for a lip balm. So I'm thinking he's going to be making a CBD cannabis infused lip balm, and maybe that would be an exclusive item in the mystery box. I literally have no idea, but like maybe. What do you guys think? Do you think that he's gonna include some exclusive items? Could this be when he decides to come out with the single shadows? Maybe that green, it goes right in theme with the 420. I have no idea, guys, but I am so freaking excited. Can you just imagine the boxes look like this? Like, knowing Jeffree, they're gonna be 100 times better than anything that we can imagine, and I literally cannot wait. So this time, I know we were super surprised last time. The premium box, so the smallest box that you can get, ended up having the alien palette in it, and yeah, I was a little upset. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little upset. Do you guys think maybe, possibly, he would put Bloodlust in these mystery boxes? I mean, I think everyone would be shook the house if he did that. Oh my God. Or what if he put Jawbreaker? He's never put Jawbreaker in any of the boxes. It would be so awesome to see that one in there. I have no idea, but I want to know what you guys think. Do you think in the mystery boxes he could put Bloodlust? Do you think it's gonna be like a 420 little collection with hats, like the dad hat and a sweater and like shirts and stuff like that? What do you guys think? I am so curious to hear your thoughts. Please leave me some thoughts down below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let's start a discussion. I know you guys are as crazy about this as I am, so let's do it. Okay guys, the next thing I wanted to talk about, so I was scrolling through Instagram and I was looking at a subscriber's Instagram stories, and she had posted something of a repost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics Brazil. There's no verified little check mark on this Instagram account, so I don't even know if it's a valid account or not. But guys, I'm gonna show you what I saw. This could potentially be the first ever Jeffree Star Cosmetics store. Now, why the heck it's in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro, I have absolutely no idea. For me, it would already be a mission. Wherever he puts the store, it's gonna be somewhere in America, and I'm here in Canada. So for me, it's a mission regardless. But why Rio de Janeiro? Like, that's a mission. Why would he put it so far away? I have absolutely no idea. Maybe he can't sell in Brazil and he has a really large clientele there. It was several months ago where one of my subscribers left a comment for me underneath my video being like, guys, I think he's gonna open a store. I think it's gonna be in Brazil. So I know that it's been rumbling in the air. So who knows if this is actually true? Guys, do you have any idea? Have you heard this rumor as well? Please leave me some thoughts down below. I want to talk about this. If there's a store, if there is a Jeffree Star cosmetics store and I don't go there, name a bigger fan that should go there. I mean, I need to go to that store. Okay, guys, the last thing that I want to be talking about, this one gives me anxiety. Okay, on one of my recent videos, I was talking about what items I thought Jeffree would be coming out with. One of my subscribers commented underneath saying there's been rumors that he's gonna be doing a collaboration with Marilyn Manson. Now, why I'd never heard of this, I have no idea. But guys, after I did some digging, let me show you some receipts. Guys, this theory, I really think that this could really be happening. Let's dive right in. So I was on Reddit and this thread came up. I'm gonna read it. So I'm pretty sure his next big collection launching in April is for Marilyn Manson. My evidence. People were upset about the bloodlust not being gothy, and Jeffree said to wait until the next launch, and that would satisfy their gothy needs. Manson is one of the things normal people think when they hear goth. He said that he would be collaborating with someone completely unexpected. He's supposed to be getting back into music, and one of the biggest hints which was posted on Manson's Instagram. Tagging Jeffree, the shape on the image is also very reminiscent of Jeffree's well-known mirrors. Guys, when I read this Reddit thread, it was like I was hit with a billion bricks. Nothing has clicked in more perfectly. All right, let's start. So first, when he was getting criticism for bloodlust, if you guys recall, he went onto his Instagram stories and he was like, guys, you guys wanted something deeper, something more gothy, like more deep purples for a purple palette. And I just wanted to say that's not for this collection, but that will be coming. So he's already stated that a gothy palette is coming. So that's our first clue. Recently, he was on his Instagram stories. He was taking photos for the next launch. And bitch, where was he taking the photos? You guessed it, a graveyard.
Is that today? And it is really coming down. Oh, hi. Here's a sneak peek of the next collection.
Marilyn Manson, gothy, graveyard, it just keeps going. I mean, like, it's really hard to think that this might be wrong. Then, after doing some digging on Twitter, I found this tweet. Now this says, the iconic king, Marilyn Manson, wearing my blue blood palette. He has great taste. And if you can see in the little corner there, blue blood is there. It is just, the hints keep on getting deeper and deeper, guys. I really think this is gonna happen. Then on Twitter last week, in replying to a fan, he said, eyeliner is definitely something I wanna create, but not my next launch. The next palette and theme are very different than anything I've ever done before. Guys, I really think whoever had this inkling that Marilyn Manson and Jeffree Star were gonna do a collaboration, I think they're absolutely dead on accurate. Guys, another side note, this is absolutely ridiculous, but when I was researching for this, I typed in Jeffree Star, Marilyn Manson. The first thing that popped up, apparently there's a theory that Marilyn Manson and Jeffree Star are the same person because Jeffree Star has a giant tattoo of Marilyn Manson and they're never apparently in the same room at the same time. I think that it's so freaking ridiculous, but I had to mention it to you guys because I thought it was freaking hilarious as well. But yeah, guys, those are the facts, those are the receipts, and that is the tea. Is it piping hot? Abso-freaking-lutely. I literally, if a collection with Marilyn Manson comes out, I think people are gonna trip out. I think it's gonna sell out like crazy. I don't know if it would do numbers like the way Conspiracy Palette did, but I think it's gonna sell out like crazy. People who like Jeffree Star cosmetics generally like that vibe, like that darker, bold, different, out of the box, not run-of-the-mill vibe. And I feel like Marilyn Manson and him, they just connect perfectly with that. They're both super different, super revered for how different and unique and special they are. And a collection from them, oh my God, would be amazing. To do some gothy looks for you guys, I would literally be so excited. That would be really stepping outside of my comfort zone. I don't typically work with super, super dark colors, but I love taking on things that scare me and just conquering them. I would absolutely adore a gothic, deep, dark, sultry palette from Jeffree, and if the collaboration is with Marilyn Manson, even better. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly enjoy these types of videos. I know that there's giant fanatics out there who love hearing the tea, even though it might not be true. Again, all theories, but it's still freaking juicy to hear, especially during these crazy times. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you like this style of video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I am dying to hear your thoughts about this. Please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye.